10 years later, we're at 100K.
So, happy Friday sa inyo mga kalaman. I'm actually recording this start of the vlog at the end of the day. Dahil kasi, I've been trying to think of the words to say or to best express kung ano yung nararamdaman ko right now at this milestone. And, ang dami kong mga naranasan or ang dami kong mga naramdamang emotions kanina from, like being happy, overwhelmed, to being a little bit more serious. Dahil kasi I started this page in 2015, and in 2015 up to 2020 it took me that long to hit 10,000 followers. And pagkatapos noon, with the sudden surge of the content, ito yung short format kasi, from 10,000 we hit 100,000 in 5 years. Di parang just uttering that sentence lang parang hindi ko siya ma-fathom eh. The page kasi has experienced yung highs and lows ko. Yung time na wala masyadong viewership na sa amin, even for me. Lalo na sa akin pala, sorry. Nung nag-decide ako na bumalik ulit sa grad school to pursue something very personal to me. And fast forward to today, kung saan medyo malaki na yung following natin. Madami na rin ako mga nakilala ng mga peers ko from content creation. Ang dami ko na rin nakilala ng peers sa competitive eating, including the PFC boys, yung mga international eaters din na mga nakakausap ko at mga naging kaibigan ko, mga nakalaban ko. I appreciate meeting everybody because of it. And alam mo yun, parang looking back at it, I didn't complain, or I never started to complain when a lot of people got ahead of me. May mga ilang pages din, not necessarily food challenges, na mas mabilis pa nag 100,000, nag 500,000, nag 1 million kaya sa akin. Pero alam mo yun, as long as you're constant kasi in what you do, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung paggawa mo, nandun pa rin yung audience eh. Nakikita na nahanap natin yung audience eh, for the content creators. And right now, ang nararamdaman ko, I feel focused, and the realization na there's so much work that needs to be done in order for me to get to probably 200,000, 500,000, to 1 million. It's all predicated in the work. I have to keep putting in the work, and one way or the other, in the next 5 to 10 years, I'm not sure kung ito pa rin yung magiging state of affairs ko, at kung ganito pa rin yung magiging tema ng videos moving forward. Pero rest assured, kung ano man yung mangyayari for the next few years, i-document ko siya dito sa vlog. So hopefully, one video at a time magpo-post ko pa rin siya kung tatangkilikin pa rin. So from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kalaman that has tuned in from 2015 until now dito sa journey ko. Nakakatawa eh. Nakakatawa. Parang looking back, it had to take this long in order for it to become this meaningful. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo mga kalaman. Panalo yun.
So, let me take you back dun sa pambansang lunch break to end the week, and finally, we are about to reach the weekend. So, I hope everybody had a good Friday. Kung hindi man, bawi tayo next week, alright? So ngayon, kumuha lang ako ng giniling, kumuha din ako ng egg, kumuha din ng kape. Naubusan na kasi ako ng kape, hindi tayo makapag-DIY latte. So pagkalabas, dumiretso sa taas. Inilabas ang pinamili mula sa 139 7-Eleven. So jumbo giniling, pagkabukas, yung egg, tinanggal yung hard shell, yung egg shell no? So pagkakuha, egg drop, and minta ka pa na hot oil. Lagay lang natin siya sa taas. Kuha tayo ng konting giniling at ilagay sa kanin. Let's break into the egg. Yes. Kuha tayo ng konti, and let's put on top of the rice for that perfect bite. Yes, sir. Just a little bit more. That was good. And now we get to the Nescafe iced black coffee. One drink. That's what's up. So fast forward sa pambansang uwian, munta tayo dito sa likod. It's beautiful, no? punta tayo dito sa Starbucks Stratosphere. Yes, and may nakita akong bagong item. Paano i-pronounce yun? Alam mo na makakalaman. So, in-order ko yung isa sa mga seasonal drinks ngayon, and pagkaigop sa kanya, much needed sugar. Attended the meeting earlier tonight, and pagkatapos nun, we went out. So, maraming salamat, Team Stratosphere. Next week ulit. Pagtawid ko dito sa kabila, I was just vibing, and dahil late na rin, wala na tayo naabutan pa sa dapit-hapon. Pero, yung pala yung nangyari dito. Okay, parang form something. Ngayon, tayo ay tumuwi dito sa kabila, and we were on our way. So, I was trying to think kung ano yung mga gagawin natin this weekend at medyo madami siya. So, I hope whether naglakad kayo pa LRT, pa MRT, madami mga kayong plans this weekend, kung kayo ay may planong mag-out of town or umuwi, nag-commute o nagantay sa kahabaan ng pila ng jeep. I do hope everybody got home safe. For tonight, did some training once again. So, bumili ulit tayo ng Trusty Repolyo. Pagkatapos nun, may pila para dito sa Spotify, I believe. Dito sa gitna ng Glorieta. And Carrot Station, Manila. Very interesting. Daming tao. Ang dami na rin nakapila. Mukhang buong weekend ata to. So, for dinner, kanina, bumili ako dun sa Jolian's. Of course, unang sweldo ng 2025, itong una natin bibilin. So, bye-bye money. Pagkalabas, binalikan ko lang siya. Hours later, dumating na or ready na yung buttered chicken na in order. Maraming salamat, Jolian's. Ngayon, pagkalabas at pagka-uwi, ito yung full spread natin. Yes, sir. A good 2.5 pounds of food. Ngayon, kuha tayo ng isang spicy buttered chicken. Oh, that's so nice. Panalo yun. And of course, samahan natin siya ng repolyo. Yes, sir. That was good.